Today's video is about cracking the code, the real reasons behind constant fatigue. In today's fast-paced world, feeling perpetually tired has become a common complaint among people of all ages. From hectic work schedules to lifestyle choices and underlying health conditions, numerous factors contribute to this pervasive sense of exhaustion. This video delves into the multifaceted reasons why individuals often find themselves battling chronic fatigue. Sleep deprivation and poor sleep quality, any of the most obvious yet frequently overlooked causes of constant tiredness is inadequate sleep. In our modern society, where screens dominate our evenings and stress infiltrates our nights, many individuals struggle to attain the recommended 7 to 9 hours of quality sleep. Factors such as insomnia, sleep apnea, or disrupted sleep patterns due to work or lifestyle habits contribute significantly to feeling persistently tired. Stress and mental health. The impact of stress on energy levels is profound. Chronic stress, whether from work, relationships, or personal issues, can drain both physical and mental reserves, leading to persistent fatigue. Conditions like anxiety, depression, or burnout often manifest through fatigue, as the body and mind struggle to cope with heightened stress levels. Sedentary lifestyle and lack of exercise. A sedentary lifestyle, coupled with a lack of regular physical activity, can contribute to a constant feeling of tiredness. Exercise is known to boost energy levels by improving circulation, enhancing mood, and promoting better sleep. Conversely, a lack of movement can lead to sluggishness and fatigue. Poor nutrition and dietary choices. The foods we consume directly impact our energy levels. Diets high in processed foods, sugar, and unhealthy fats can lead to energy crashes and feelings of fatigue. Nutrient deficiencies, such as iron, vitamin D, or B vitamins, can also contribute to persistent tiredness. Chronic medical conditions. Underlying health issues play a significant role in persistent fatigue. Conditions such as anemia, thyroid disorders, diabetes, chronic fatigue syndrome, fibromyalgia, or autoimmune diseases can cause persistent exhaustion and should be addressed with medical professionals. Medications and substance use. Certain medications, including antihistamines, antidepressants, and sedatives, can induce drowsiness and contribute to feelings of tiredness. Additionally, substance abuse, including alcohol or drugs, can significantly impact energy levels and overall well-being. Sleep disorders. Sleep disorders like sleep apnea, restless leg syndrome, or narcolepsy can severely disrupt sleep patterns, leading to constant tiredness despite spending adequate time in bed. Overexertion and workload. A hectic lifestyle characterized by excessive workloads, long hours, or overcommitment can drain energy levels, leaving individuals feeling chronically fatigued. In conclusion, understanding the underlying causes of constant fatigue is crucial for addressing and managing this pervasive issue. Identifying personal triggers, whether they stem from lifestyle choices, health conditions, or psychological factors, is the first step toward combating persistent tiredness. Seeking professional guidance, adopting healthy lifestyle habits, improving sleep hygiene, managing stress, maintaining a balanced diet, and addressing underlying health conditions are vital strategies in reclaiming energy and vitality. By acknowledging and addressing these root causes, individuals can take proactive steps toward restoring their energy levels and enjoying a more vibrant and fulfilling life. If you found the information in this video useful, please subscribe to this channel and like this video. Thank you for watching.